Alright, well, I picked up this, I'm not even going to say it, TKDMR lugs. I'll give you a quick specs here that's on the package. I want to pause that and take a look at it. Let me get a good look at this. Seem pretty nice. Get that to focus. I know my lighting isn't the greatest. And then I'll give you a couple of the bigger ones. I haven't tested them yet. And then you get all your shrink wraps. Pretty much all about the same. You know, a little bit smaller on some of them for the other ones, but like I said, I haven't tested it yet. Give it a check out eventually. When I do, then I'll show you guys what it does. But yeah, looks pretty good. We'll see how it comes out. All right, guys.